Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to program your Cuisinart Burr and Grind coffee maker. This feature I like to use when I set my coffee maker the night before to brew coffee in the morning. I have already added my whole beans to the hopper and water, so now I am ready to program. One thing you need to make sure you do first is set the time and make sure it's accurate to the time that it currently is. Mine's 8:32 p.m. I'm going to turn my machine on. Once I'm ready to program, I'm going to hit this program button and it will say auto on. Hold in the program button until it flashes, and then you can set the time by pressing the hour and minute buttons. You'll see that once you go around the clock, the PM sign will show up, so then you know it's PM. If you want AM, that's when the PM will disappear. I'm gonna set mine to 7:30 in the morning. So I'm gonna go to 7 and then over to the minutes till it says 30. And then I'm going to stop pressing buttons, 7:31, close enough. It's gonna flash a few times, and then you're gonna know that you're all set for your auto on right here when it says auto on. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.